Hey everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a person with hip contractures more comfortable in an outpatient setting. So if this was an outpatient setting, which we would have better tables which we can raise, as of right now we cannot. But first you would want to start by draping the table with a cloth or a sheet, whatever you have at the clinic, and then you would want to give the patient, a pillow for their head to make them more comfortable. Caitlin, are you comfortable like that?
Yes.
All right. Next, I'm going to walk over here. We'll grab a pillow right here, and we'll place it under the distal part of their legs. Let their ankles kind of float a little bit, and then align their spine. That will align their spine a little bit better. Caitlin, you still good?
Yes.
All right, perfect. So next, the last thing. This is just for comfort and possibly warmth as well. You just drape another sheet over them, like that, like that. There we go. That helps with a little bit of modesty and warmth, like I said before. And then last thing you want to make sure is that, again, the patient is comfortable. So, Caitlin, how you feeling?
Great.
Awesome. Couple final things. You want to make sure not to put a pillow under their abdomen. That would put the hip in too much flexion. And this position is more than enough for hip contractures to get that hip more extended and relieve that pressure.